Hi everyone, today we are talking about something that keeps every ship from small boats to a big cargo vessel. Safe on the water, initial stability. The material we have here gives us all the key words and ideas we need to understand how ships stays upright. First, let's talk about the basic nomenclature for initial stability of a ship includes the following terms. First, it is G, center of gravity. This is where all the ship's weight is focused. Imagine holding a bucket of water. Your balance shifts because your center of gravity moves. Same goes for a ship. If we put heavy stuff on the top deck, G goes up. And the second is B, center of buoyancy. This is where the water pushes upward to keep the ship afloat. Think of a beach ball floating in a pool. There's a spot where the water's push hold it up, and that's like a B for a ship. M. Metacenter. It's an imaginary point that helps us measure balance. When a ship tilts a little, the water upward push seems to come from here. Kg, Kb, Km. This tells us how high G, B, and M are from the ship's bottom, called the keel. Kg is how high the weight is, Kb is how high the water's push is, and Km is how high the metacenter is. Gm, metacentric height. The distance between G and M. This is the most important term here. The material says a higher GM means better initial stability. It's like the ship's balance strength for small tips. GZ, writing lever. When the ship leans, we call that lean the angle of health. GZ is the horizontal gap between the weight pulling down and the water pushing up. This gap is what pushes the ship back to straight. And the last is angle of head, just how far the ship is tilted from standing perfectly upright. What do this idea actually mean? Initial stability. This is how will the ship resist small tilts, like when waves rock it gently. It's about handling little changes in force on either side of the ship. Overall ship stability. This is bigger. It's the ship's natural tendency to go back to upright after any external push, like strong wind and or big waves. Factors affecting stability. The shape of the hull matters a lot. Wide flat hulls are more stable than narrow ones. How deep the ship sits in the water, that's the draft, and how evenly it's loaded front to back, that's trim. The diagram makes it clear. Look at the sketch at the bottom. It ties all these terms together visually. You can see Kg going up from the keel to G, Km going up to M, and Gm as the space between G and M. When G is below M, the ship is stable. If G were above M, even a small tilt could be risky. The diagram turns all those words into something we can easily picture.